Would you believe me if I told you that people are making thousands of dollars with the simplest videos on YouTube? No fancy skills, no expensive equipment, just stock footage, a little music, and an AI voice. And here's the crazy part. Anyone, even kids, can do this and make real money. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. One channel is doing exactly this and getting millions of views. Their most popular video has 2.9 million views, and all they did was use stock footage and an AI voiceover. That's it. Yet they're making thousands of dollars every month from YouTube. Imagine how much you could earn with a video just like that. You do not need to search for video clips. You don't need to record your own voice, and you definitely don't need any advanced editing skills. Just give a prompt to an AI, and it creates everything for you. It's that simple. This channel has made anywhere between $2,000 to $8,000 in the last 28 days alone. Yes, that's the power of these simple videos. And you can start doing this right now. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to create these videos for yourself. I'll show you how to combine stock footage with an AI-generated script and voiceover so you can start your own YouTube automation channel today. So, if you're serious about earning money on YouTube, don't skip a single step. Watch the video until the end, because if you miss even one part, you could miss out on the chance to money just like this. Ready? Let's get started. Alright, now let's dive into exactly how you can make these super simple, high-earning health videos. We're going to use an incredible AI tool called FlexClip. With just a prompt, this tool will create a complete video for you in minutes. No need to edit anything from scratch. How easy is that? First, you need to go to the FlexClip website and create an account. Don't worry, it's quick and easy, and I'll guide you through every step. Once you sign up, you'll get access to a huge library of ready-made templates that can be customized for your videos. And that's not all. You'll also find other amazing AI tools on the site, like text-to-speech, AI script generator, and even an AI background remover. I've included a link to the website in the description below so you can follow along. After you sign up and log in, you'll see a dashboard that's packed with useful AI tools. Let me show you around. You'll see tools like AI Video Generator, AI Auto Subtitle, AI Text-to-Speech, and even an AI Translator. It's all right here, ready for you to use. So to get started on your YouTube automation journey, click on the AI Video Generator. Once you click, you'll be taken to an intuitive interface that makes creating your video a breeze. Here's what the interface looks like. It's designed to be super user-friendly, even if you've never made a video before. Once you're in the AI Video Generator, you'll see two powerful options: AI Text-to-Video and Article URL to Video. This means you can even turn a URL into a video. But for now, let's focus on AI Text-to-Video. Click on that option, and we're ready to roll. Now here's where things get exciting. Let's say you want to recreate a popular health-related video from a similar YouTube channel. You can simply copy the title of one of their most popular videos and then come back to FlexClip. Just paste the title right into the input box here. If you prefer to write your own script, you can paste it here as well, and FlexClip will generate a video based on it. You can also adjust the length of the video by adding a prompt to let the AI know how long it should be. Once you've pasted the title or script, all that's left is to hit the generate button. In just 1 to 2 minutes, your video will be created. That's right, just a couple of clicks and your video will be ready. After that, you'll see an interface like this, where you can view and edit your freshly generated video. If you don't like any of the scenes that the AI generates, don't worry, you can easily swap them out. Just click on Replace Media and choose a different video clip that you like. FlexClip gives you plenty of options, so you're always in control of your content. Next, let's talk about the voiceover. If you're not satisfied with the current AI voice, you can quickly change it. Just select any of the available AI voiceovers and apply it to your video. It's that simple. I'm going to pick a random voiceover from the options and apply it. Now, let's look at the scenes again. If there's a scene you don't like, just replace it the same way, quick and easy. After making a few changes, click on Add to Timeline and don't forget to hit Apply. Now comes the fun part. Customizing your video. From here, you can edit your video as much as you want. Add transitions, swap out any scenes, generate a new voiceover, and even customize your subtitles to make the video more engaging. To make your video flow smoothly, let's add some transitions. Look between two video clips, and you'll see a line separating them. Click on that line, and you'll have the option to apply transitions. This is a great way to make your video more professional and captivating. There are multiple transition effects available, and you can apply them to make your video even more engaging and visually appealing. Just pick the one that suits your style. Once you've applied your transitions, you can also customize the subtitles to match your video perfectly. You can choose any template you want to finalize your video. After that, your video will be ready to go. All that's left is to export and download it. FlexClip allows you to do this easily, and best of all, you can use FlexClip for free. But if you want even more features, they have a plan for just $10, and their business plan is $20. Both options give you extra flexibility and tools. The link to this amazing tool is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips on making videos that can help you earn money on YouTube.